Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp username feature if it's not showing on your account. The username feature is a new WhatsApp update that lets you connect with others using a unique username, instead of sharing your phone number, helping you protect your privacy. If you don't see this feature yet, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain why it may not be available on your account and walk you through the steps you can take to get it. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Since the username feature is still rolling out, it may only be available in the latest app updates. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Apps and Device. Tap on Manage. Next, tap on Updates Available to see if a new version of WhatsApp is available. If you find WhatsApp in the list, simply check this box and press on this tick icon. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the update is finished, open WhatsApp again and check if the username feature is now available. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings, Account. If you now see the username option, it means the feature has been enabled for your account. Tap on it to reserve your preferred WhatsApp username. If the username option is still missing, don't worry. It simply means that WhatsApp hasn't rolled out the feature to your account yet, and you'll need to wait until it becomes available. If enabled, tap on Reserve Username. Then, enter the username you want to use. WhatsApp will automatically check its availability, and if it's available, you can reserve it for your account. Now, tap on Reserve to reserve that username for your WhatsApp account. Once the reservation is complete, this username will be linked to your account and will be ready to use as soon as the username feature becomes available for you. If you ever want to change your username or remove it in the future, simply tap on Edit. From there, you can update your username, choose a different one, or delete it anytime according to your preference. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.